You want to join in on the burping contest? Come on, you have the burp lap. Come on, you could win this with the burp lap. You still going over here?
Oh my God, go! You can do it! I'm out of water, man.
Micah, you have some more water over there.
That one sucked, alright?
Okay, I'm pretty sure we have now decided Micah has won because, like, after that, they got just got smaller. He just stopped.
No, Micah wins because she's amazing, okay? So everybody-
She wins. She has boobs.
Boobs, Jesus.
The boobs mean she wins.
Oh, come on, I got stuck.
Will has boobs too.
No, these are moobs. Those are boobs.
I still beat you! I'm still going, man.